In this question, it is saying a certain juggler usually tosses balls vertically to a height h1. To what height must they be tossed if they are to spend twice as much time in the air? Okay, so we should solve this. So I am drawing the situation. See, this is the height h. The juggler must have tossed the ball from this location. This is the ground with a speed u. It must have went to the highest point, and here the velocity should be 0 and gravity is acting downwards, right? So if I'm writing the first equation for this situation, I can write v equals u plus at. Here v is 0, so 0 equals u minus gt, acceleration is minus g. So from here we can write t equals u upon g, right? Also, if we write the second equation, which is s equals ut plus half a t square. S is given as h, u we already know, t, and here we will write minus half g t square. So this is equation 1. Now we are writing equation for second situation. Right. So in second situation, it is given the time taken will be twice as of initial, right? So we can, if we are writing this, it is again v equals u plus at, right? At dash I am writing for the second situation. Here again v is 0, and if you write u equals u minus gt dash, right? So from here also we will get t dash equals, okay, one more thing. In the second situation, since it has to stay twice as much time as of initial, so the u must be different. So the u I am mentioning here is different, and I am mentioning it as u dash, right? So here t dash will be u dash upon g for the second situation, right? And if I am writing the height equation, the height equation again will be s equals ut plus half at square, right? And here if I am writing, we don't know the actual height, we just know that here the t will be, if I'm writing here, the velocity will be u dash, t will be t dash, right, plus minus half g t dash square, right? So we already know that it's already given in the question that t dash will be 2 times of t, right? So if I am using this equation, so t dash equals 2t, so I am putting t dash and t value here. So u dash upon g will be 2 times u upon g. So this will give us a value of u dash equals 2u, right? So if we want, we can feed this u dash equals 2u in this equation, right? So here s will be u dash, I am putting 2u, t dash we have already calculated from here, u dash upon g, and u dash we again can put, so this will be 2u upon g, right? So I am putting s equals 2u into t dash we already know, 2u upon g minus half g into, and I am putting again t1, which is 2u upon g, its whole square. So I am solving this equation here. S equals 4u square upon g minus half g 4u square upon g square. I can cut g and g. So from here we will get 2, and this 2 I am also cutting. S equals 4u square upon g minus 2u square upon g. This will give us a value of 2u square upon g, right? Now we need to just convert this 2u square upon g in terms of h, because h is given in the question. So I am using the first equation here. From equation 1, which is h equals ut minus half gt square, right? If we are putting the value of t from here in this equation, what we will get? U into u upon g minus half g u upon g whole square, right? So this will give us a value of u square upon g minus 1/2 g u square upon g square. I'm cutting 1g, and this will give us a value of u square upon g minus u square upon 2g. If we solve this, we will get u square upon 2g. So u square upon 2g is nothing but h, right? And here we have calculated for the second situation, the s is this. So if we just equate this value, I'm writing here, suppose this is equation 2, this is equation 3. So equation 2 and equation 3, what we have got, s equals 2u square upon g and h equals u square upon 2g. We are just dividing both this. So s upon h will be 2u square upon g into 2g upon u square. So g we can cut, u square we can cut. So from here what we got, s upon h is 4, and from here we will get s equals 4h, and this is our answer. It means that we have to throw at 4 times the initial height, just to make sure that the time in the air will be twice as of initial. So that is all about this question.